Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to assemble the Nespresso Essenza Mini coffee machine. This will be a full tutorial, so let's get right into the video. As you can see right here, this is the coffee machine, and I've sort of disassembled it as much as you possibly can, and I'm going to show you the easy steps to assemble it. So first and foremost, let's start off with the water tank. As you can see right here, here's the water tank. I filled it up decently with some fresh drinking water, and to put this in place, you want to essentially place it down on here, and at the same time, you want this piece over here to sort of go in here, okay? So check this out. You're going to place this down, and at the same time, you're going to sort of click it in place like that. So just to show you once again, place it down, and it's wedged out to the side, and then just like this, click it in place. It's good to go. Make sure it's nice and secure, and you're good to go. For the next part, you basically want to assemble the drip tray and then these sort of like the used capsule portion. So right over here, this is where the used capsules fall into, and under here is the drip tray attachment. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the used capsule portion, the big part here, and it goes and sits on top of this right here. It doesn't even click in place. It kind of just goes in there. As you can see, there's a little bit of a lip down here. It goes in here just like that, and then that actually slides in place in there. So we're going to go ahead, and as you can see, I made a little bit of a mess. This is actually my parents' coffee machine, and I'm at my parents' house right now, actually just before work. So I'm going to clean this up before I leave, obviously, you know, and be a good son. Anyways, we're going to now slide this in place over here. As you can see, just push it back in there. And then this right here sort of hooks on. So you can see there's a little bit of a lip over here. I'm making even more of a mess. I'm going to sort of, my parents use this all the time. They're Italian. I grew up in an Italian household. So like literally my parents drink espresso like no tomorrow. As do I. I love it. I love it. I drink regular coffee now, not espresso, but I grew up drinking it all of, you know, like 20 through 25. When I was here, or 19 through 22, something like that, whatever. I moved out when I was like 23. So, you know, from like 18-ish, 19-ish to about 23, I drank it quite often as well. And then I moved out on my own. Anyways, the last part of the assembly, just to give you stick on track with the video, is this sort of hooks onto there. So just lift it up and then just slide it down on there. And that's essentially it. You've now assembled your Nespresso Essenza Mini coffee machine. It's that easy to do. I've shown you how to assemble the water tank, and then the used capsule portion, and then the drip tray. And that's it. It's literally that simple. Yeah, I'm not sure how it comes out of the box, if that's how it comes out, but if you're transporting it and you take everything apart, that's how to put it back together. Or if you bought it used and it sort of came in pieces, that's how to put it back together. Or if that's how it comes new nowadays, I'm not even sure, that's how to assemble it. It's literally that simple. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.